Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise in CapCut. In order to remove your noise from your video, you can use CapCut. So here, in order to use CapCut, you can try to install. If you don't have CapCut on your device, you can install from the Play Store. But if you already have, please update your CapCut in order to fix some bugs. And also there is improvement, like fix some known issues, improve trimming experience, and so on. So here, this is a user-friendly video editor that I use to edit my video, edit my project. And here, wait for the process. After the update, now you can open your CapCut, and if this is your first time, please you can create and register your account in order to enjoy all the service that provided by CapCut. Now you can open your project or your video that you want to edit. You can tap new project, and this is for example. You can tap add. Now you can tap the video or the project, and here there's a toolbar. You can slide to the right, to the left, and try to search the reduce noise. Here, reduce noise feature is in a pro version. You need to upgrade your account in order to use this reduce noise feature. Just tap this on. CapCut will reducing your noise. If you're done, you can tap check button. So the noise now is reduced. So feel free to try to edit your favorite video, reduce a noise or reduce background noise of your projects with CapCut apps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.